everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Betty, so you can call me Benny for short. Yeah, today I am here with another video, and it's a cooking video, and I'm going to prepare. What do you think I'm going to prepare? Yeah, you got it right. I'm going to prepare Koobi egg stew. Koobi in English is salted fish. Yes, dry salted fish. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to use in preparing my food. I know I look a mess, but hey, Charlie, I am at home. It's late, and you know I need to prepare something for my husband because he just came from work. Yes, so yeah, that's why I am looking this way, but I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, basically, but this is disclaimer. This is not something you have to follow religiously. If you want to look at my preparation and follow it, yeah, thumbs up to you, but this is not something I'm forcing on you. So yeah, so basically just watch how I prepare my Koobi egg stew. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, so if you are interested, do not go anywhere. Stick like a glue, and I've got you. So the ingredients we are going to use are cooking oil, white pepper, and we have our curry powder, we have our bay leaf, and one Maggie cube, our eggs. Normally I use 8 eggs, but since we are out of eggs, we don't have enough home, so I'm using 6. Our blended tomatoes, our blended what do you call it, pepper, our blended garlic, ginger, and onion in this container. This is our Koobi, that is our dry salted fish. This is our onion, and this is green pepper, that's bell pepper, and our chopped tomato. So you can use this, and if you like to, you can blend all together. Yeah, so these are my ingredients for the cooking. First and foremost, you pour in your cooking oil, and then we will fry our salted fish. So we are frying our salted fish, that is our Koobi, in here, so golden brown, and then we'll add our onions. This is how you want the Koobi to look like, and then you add your onions to it. So you let the onions become transparent. Fry it for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, and then we add our blended pepper. All melted inside, so I'll just keep stirring to make sure that the pepper is well cooked. Then I'll add my tomatoes. My tomato. before the tomato, but no worries, I can put it in now. So I'll leave it for it to, cook. So as the stew is on fire, I wash my yam and then put it on fire. Yeah. With my egg, I'm going to use this Maggie cube and break it into the eggs. I'm not going to use all because of the Koobi. I'm just going to use a little. So I'm going to use this quantity. So I'm going to break, I'm going to use this for the egg, and I'll put just a little in the stew. So I mash it into the egg and I'll beat it. So after beating it a little, I'll just I just put it down for the stew to be ready. Then I pour in the egg, but I'll beat it again before I put it in the stew. So yeah, so this one will be here like this, and then wait for the stew to be ready and I pour it inside. So the stew has reduced, and so I'm going to pour in my curry powder and my white pepper into it. And so you pour just a little, just a little, yeah, okay. So that I can cook with the stew. At this point, I'll add my little Maggie. So it cook with the stew at this point. Yeah. So our stew is getting there. Stew is coming to life. There is water in it, so I will still let the water drain a little, but before then, at this point, I'm going to add my garlic, my ginger and onion into this. So I'll just pour it just a little here. And I won't stir it. I'll just leave it like this for like 5 minutes, and I'll come back to stir it. So at this point, this is how my sink is looking. I have been cleaning up and also placing everything at its place, and so I don't have anything left. And I don't have anything left on my sink. Yeah. Point, I'm going to stir and then add my eggs to it. I'm going to beat my eggs for the last time. how it's looking now. I'm not going to stir it now. I'll just wait for some minutes and then come and stir it. At this point, I'm going to stir. So our stew is almost done. Okay, so at this point I'm going to put in the bell pepper.
Journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's dark.